Running through the halls of my own castle, I feel the exhilaration pulsing through my veins. The towering walls painted in meticulous engravings enlighten me. It makes me feel as though I'm alive, as though I'm unstoppable. I feel as if no one could ever lay a hand on me. There's a sudden rush of fresh air that fills my nostrils, though I do not stop. I keep going. My legs feel as light as a feather. My breath is steady, as though I haven't been running at all.
I reach the grand old oak tree. It sits upon a hill, waiting for my arrival. The time comes. I stop. I graze my hand along the side of the tree. My thoughts drift. I don't want to leave. I brace myself. Reality hits me like a dagger in the heart. I am no longer fairy, though once again lost.